So we're going to do a quick example of how to calculate a standard error of the mean. So standard error equals, and we're going to use the example from the book. So we're going to use the example of where we have values of an interval level feeling thermometer measure, a random sample of 100. So n equals 100. So this is the variable is a thermometer. I don't know of what. That's okay if we don't know right now. So the n equals 100. The sample mean equals 58. And sample standard deviation equals 24.8. So when we use the formula, we use standard deviation over square root of n, which is our sample size. So let's take a look at how to calculate it. So we're going to, using this information, standard error equals 24.8 divided by the square root of 100. So again, we're looking at the standard deviation. That's the symbol for standard deviation. And then this is your n, or sample size. So standard error equals your sample standard deviation over square root of n. So in this case, it's 24.8 over square root of 100 equals 24.8 over 10 equals 2.48. So our standard error equals 2.48. How do I connect it back up to this example? So I know now that my standard error of this thermometer rating is 2.48. So I can use that to tell me something about the noise for this thermometer rating. So the mean equals 58. So I know that the noise, or standard error, is going to be 58 plus or minus 2.48. So when I'm calculating that, it's going to be a range. And yes, I'm going to use my calculator. It is late. So 58 minus 2.48 equals 55.52 to 58 plus 2.48. Oops. 60.48. So I'm going to show you in a moment what to do with this range.